In this video, I will share two simple methods to separate numbers and text in Excel. In the first method, I'll show you how to use formulas. When I type this formula and press enter, Excel will instantly separate the text. In the next column, I'll type another formula and hit enter. Excel will quickly separate the numbers as well. This method is fast and easy. In the second method, I'll share a VBA code that works accurately and doesn't require typing long formulas. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. Here I have a list of raw data. Our goal is to separate the text and numbers into different columns. In the text column, I'll write this formula. I'll also provide this formula in the description and comment section so you can easily copy and paste it. Once I paste the formula and press enter, Excel will automatically extract the text from the first column. Then I'll drag the formula down to apply it to all rows. Next, in the number column, I will paste another formula. Once I hit enter, the numbers will separate instantly. Now let's move to the second method using VBA code to separate numbers and text. First, make sure the developer tab is enabled in your Excel ribbon. If it is not visible, simply right click on the View tab, select the Customize the ribbon, and from the main tab, check the developer option. Then click OK. Once the developer tab appears, click on the Visual Basic. The Visual Basic editor will open. Next, click on Insert and select Module. A new module window will appear. Here, I will paste the VBA code that separates both text and numbers. Don't worry, I will share this code in the description box and comment section as well. After pasting the code, close the editor and return to your Excel sheet. Now you can use this new function like a formula. In the text column, type is equal to get text and select your source data. Press enter and you will get the separated text instantly. In the number columns, I will type is equal to get numbers. Then select your data and press enter. The numbers will be separated immediately. This VBA code is advanced, simple and efficient. No need to type long formulas every time. To keep this VBA code working, always save your file as a micro enable workbook. Once you save, you can use this feature anytime without reinstall or retyping the code. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to learn how to separate names in Excel, check out the video showing on your screen now. Thanks for watching.